going? I am super excited right now because I ordered a Stitch Fix. This is literally an impulse decision to join a network or a program that sends you clothes if you don't want to go to the store and shop, and you can basically just kind of like buy something. My decision to go ahead and do the Stitch Fix is that I personally felt like I was starting to dress like an old lady. Now, I'm not that old, and I just felt like I was looking like really frumpy and stuff when I went to work. So I just felt like I needed a change, and maybe someone else can send me pieces that maybe I wouldn't typically think to try for myself in the store. Granted, they don't send you things that's completely outside of your style. You have like they do have like a questionnaire that you fill out, and like style pieces that you go through, and you decide if you like them or if you don't like them or whatever the case may be. But I kind of just like selected like things that maybe I look at in the store and I wouldn't typically think to try. So I like said yes to them to let them know like it's okay to send me. So I'm so excited to open this box right now. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, I love trying new things. Who knows if I'm gonna stick with this, but for right now, I'm super excited about it. And I can't wait to see the items that they send me. I'm almost like sweating right now. I came in my apartment, I had to turn the air on because I was like, there is no way I'm gonna be able to just sit here and record this with the anticipation killing me and having to talk through this before I actually unbox the items. Like, there is no way I was gonna be able to just like sit here and do it and not start breaking out into a hot sweat because I'm just so nervous about like what's inside the box. But I'm so weird like that. I'm nervous about like what's inside because I really hope I didn't sit there and go through the questionnaire and the style like overall like style things to like help the stylist figure out what pieces to send you and end up picking up stuff that I wear on a regular basis. I'm not that old, and I just tend to gear towards like grandma pieces or mature looking pieces whenever I go to the store, and I just feel like that's a habit that I need to break. And maybe if I'm trying on items in the comfort of my own home without having to step into the store to try something new, maybe it'll like, you know, in your own place, you can view it a little bit better than you can in the store. But I don't know what it is. It's like every store has like horrible lighting. So I'm hoping that they have some good stuff in here. They better have some good stuff in here. Anyways, it's from Stitch Fix. Let me show you that that is exactly what the box says. Stitch Fix. I'm about to open it and see what they sent me, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, I didn't really look into the program. I kind of just, it was like an advertisement on my Instagram, and I saw that they basically sent you stuff to try on. If you decide to keep it, it's like $20. Like every time they send you a box, it's $20. And if you decide to keep it, then that $20 goes towards the price of the pieces in the box. If you decide not to keep it, it's my understanding that you lose that $20 from the stylist picking all the stuff out. Which is fair. I mean, you can't expect people to do things for free completely. So I grabbed a knife because I couldn't find anything else. And I also turned on some lights because I noticed that the first part of this video was actually kind of dark. Ooh. It's nice. Comes with a little, you know, guide, tells you what to do next. Try all 5 items that your personal stylist selected for you. Pair them with favorites from your closets and use the enclosed style card for outfit inspiration. Decide what you love and what you want to send back. The other part is just kind of like telling you to share. So of course there's the bag that comes with it, because whatever you don't want, you can send back, and it's completely free of charge. It's gonna cost me nothing to send it back, and it's here for me to use or whatever. I recently changed jobs. Well, it's not recent, it's been like 6 months now, but I'm in more of a corporate-y kind of environment, and I feel like I don't really know what pieces to pick for myself when I go to the store. So even the items that they showed me, I tend to pick the items that were more like wear in the office items. Because I feel like, not really, because even when I go out, I don't know what to wear. I gained weight over the last few years, and I feel like in gaining weight, I don't really know how to dress my new shape of a larger top, smaller bottom. And I'm like I have a huge stomach that I tell myself every year that I'm gonna go to the gym and work on, and that's a lie because it never happens, and I just eat a lot of breads. Breads love me. So, sent a lot of colors. Those blues, creams. I'm a little bit nervous about the yellow because I'm a sweater, so I tend to wear sweater as in I'm a sweater as in I sweat a lot. Like, it doesn't take much. I think I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I turned the air on when I walked in here just because I didn't want any problems. But yeah, and the first item that I actually see to look at is a really cute purse. Now, this is really cute to me. Like, move forward so it shows the details. Like, this is really, really cute. This is not exactly something that's going to be efficient for me going to the office. Well, maybe it is if I stop bringing a whole bunch of items. This is $48. So this will be returned. It will be. Oh, look! They sent a little note. And I guess this is the it's the invoice that's gonna tell me how much everything costs. Let me start opening these things because I'm already getting anxiety about what I'm seeing because these are new items. I don't know. Let's open this and see what it has to offer. And I really hope I gave them my right size because I'm delusional when it comes to sizing. Like, I'll think I'm like one size. Turns out I'm not. My blazer, which is gonna have me go broke because if I try this on and it actually fits right, I'll be a few dollars out. Might not be able to pay my rent after that. This beautiful blazer, people. $88. $88. Like I said, I'm a cheapskate. I don't know about that. But it's a maybe. We'll see how it fits. We'll see if it hides those wide shoulders. But it can go in there. Let's look at the tribal print crop trouser. Is $58. I don't think so. Not for 58. Maybe. This is so hard! Why do they have to be so expensive? This is horrible. I hope it fits so ugly when I put it on. Because I'm kind of an impulsive buyer when it comes to clothes. This beautiful skirt that will probably fit me weird because, like I said, I do have a tummy that I'm working with. This is also $58. They sent a medium. Do they know how big I am? A medium? Well, I'm not gonna lie. Looks like it might fit. But this is $58. This is really beautiful. I feel like they need to tell me where they got these items so I can try to find them on my own. Is that wrong? Just a little bit. Sorry, stylists. And this shirt, which is really impractical, they're charging me $54. I'm not paying $58 for this. But if it fits good, I'll go to the store and go get it. All right. So that totaled all these items $306 goddamn dollars. For these, not gonna lie, they look expensive. They look good. They look good. They look like good materials. They do offer a 25% off discount, so it would bring the total to $229.50 with the $20 that I already paid when they sent out the box. That would bring the order total to $209. Let's hope we can cut that down to like 109 or something like that, or maybe 79. I don't know how to add. So Honestly, I would never pick this outfit if it was left up to me. It doesn't look horrible, but I still feel like it kind of has that old lady vibe, or maybe it's chic, I don't know. You tell me. What do you guys think? As I suspected, I like this whole blazer. This blazer is the most expensive thing that came, but I just love it. Like the little pockets, I just feel like it's like perfect for me to just like throw over, especially like my sleeveless dresses, or like maybe some like skinny jeans and like a fitted top and some heels. So yeah, this is this all together. I love this blazer. I really think it's gonna be a keep. I was really hoping it wouldn't look good when I put it on, but it does, and I really love it. I love it. This is the skirt and the top by itself. I like the skirt, but I'm not in love with it. And I told myself, like, I'm only gonna like buy or take or, you know, keep the pieces that I'm literally in love with. So I actually don't think I'm going to keep it, which is kind of sad, because it's a really cute color, and I do feel like mustard colors always look good with my skin tone. I feel like I can't go wrong. As you can see, the top fits. It fits really cute actually, and it's like they knew what they were doing, because it's like my shoulders, it doesn't feel too tight. So lucky me, these did not fit, because I would have definitely kept them if I was able to get them on. They're a size 8, but they just didn't work. Did not fit over all of that. So unfortunately, these are an automatic go back. So right now I have the bag, that's a no. I have these pants, that's a no. That is simply because of sizing. And I think, and the skirt is a definite no. The top I'm still decided on. I think I'm gonna try it on with some pants from my closet, or some items from my closet, and see how I can work it, and then we'll go from there. Okay. So even a look like this, I don't mind. I just grabbed some like skinny pants from my closet. But one thing I noticed when I was like walking by my mirror is that when I lifted up my arm in this shirt, I saw my bra underneath. And I know that based off the color of the shirt, I should probably wear something underneath, but I get hot so easily, I rarely wear like things underneath my shirts. I rarely wear like undershirts. Or actually, that's a lie, I do wear them a lot. But just something about the fact that I can like see my bra underneath, which I'm not sure is coming across, but I just didn't like the fact that I wasn't even looking for it. I was literally just moving my arm, and I caught a look of the bra underneath. So I was just like, I have to think, no, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work at all. So I decided, made my final decision. I'm not gonna keep the top. I'm literally only gonna keep the blazer. So I just thought I'd put the blazer on one more time to get another feel of it, because sometimes you try something on with like one thing and you really love it, and then you try it on with something else and you're just like, no. I do like that. Like when I picture myself getting dressed, this together is like what I want to look like when I leave my house. It never happens. So out of everything that came, all the pieces, the one thing I'm keeping is the blazer. It's the lucky winner. Yay! So yeah, until next time, I guess we'll see what they send. They did a really good job. I do have to say that. Keep Stitch Fix.